We have some breaking news. You ready? I don't know. Can you handle it? I don't think you can. I support the Great Lakes. Always have. They're beautiful. They're big, very deep. Record deepness, right? And I'm going to get, in honor of my friends, full funding of $300 million for the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative, which you've been trying to get for over 30 years. So we'll get it done. It's time. It's time. It's time. You've been trying to get it over 30 years. I would say it's time, right? Also, and as you know, this one we've already pretty much locked up. I'll say locked up. You'll understand that in a second. Because we're very close to getting started on the beautiful new lakes that people have wanted to build for a very, very long time. So, we're very close to finishing that one off.